If I'm on Windows, the process to install Node is luckily just as easy. Going to the official Node.js website, my version of Windows is automatically detected, and I'm presented with the latest long-term support and current versions of Node, whatever those currently are. So I'm going to go ahead and download the latest long-term support version, which is recommended for most users, and I'm going to save that to my machine. When the download is done, I'm going to run the installer. And I can click through the various steps, accepting the license agreement. And when I reach the custom setup screen, we want to make sure that all of the options here are selected, particularly the adding to the path option here, which will make sure that when we go to our terminal in PowerShell or command prompt, that we can run that node command. Usually the default settings here will have all of the options selected, so we can click Next. And here we have the optional choice to install some additional tools, such as Python and Visual Studio Build tools, which can help us when installing certain third-party modules. So feel free to select that. Just keep in mind that it will require a significant amount of disk space on your hard drive. So I'm going to click Next, and we're ready to start the installation process, where we may need to allow the Node.js installer to make changes to our computer. Awesome, the installer succeeded, so I can click Finish, and now I'm going to open up PowerShell by typing PowerShell here. And I can type my commands in here. So to make sure that the correct version of Node was installed, we'll run the node command, passing in the -v flag, and we can see that the LTS version that I selected was installed, which means that we can now run the what's called the node REPL and start typing JavaScript code. Let drink equal T. There you go. We have Node installed on our system. We'll explore this node REPL, what REPL means, and start writing some Node code in the coming videos. I'll see you then.